Music. Welcome to my BetterHelp review. Check the description for helpful links. BetterHelp is an online therapy platform offering mental health support from home. Struggling with anxiety, depression, stress, or relationship issues? BetterHelp connects you with licensed therapists easily and conveniently. A quick assessment matches you with a therapist based on your needs. Communicate via text, live chat, phone, or video, whatever works best for you. Stay connected between sessions by messaging your therapist anytime. BetterHelp is also affordable, typically costing $60 to $90 per week, much less than traditional therapy. This makes it accessible for those without insurance or facing cost or location barriers. BetterHelp is perfect for busy schedules or those preferring the privacy of remote sessions. The platform is user-friendly, easy to sign up for, and you can cancel anytime. BetterHelp offers reliable and affordable telehealth mental health care. It's convenient, flexible, and designed to prioritize your well-being. Ready to prioritize your mental health? Check the description below to get started with BetterHelp today.